Hello everyone, welcome back to day 5 of 21 day data challenge. So basically, Dot is living in the countryside, and in the countryside there are not a lot of cleaning supplies, but in the city side there are many cleaning supplies that Dot can get. Okay, but sometimes the city side will sell the cleaning supplies with a higher price, and it would be good for Dot to buy the cleaning supplies at the countryside. Okay, this is the questions explanation. Okay, and then what is this challenge for today? The challenge for today is that Dot is okay with paying a bit of a surplus for convenience, but they don't want to go broke buying dustpans and class cleaner. Help them figure out which items cost over 10% more at the nearby store so they can avoid buying these items. Using Python, develop a list of items that are too expensive for Dot to purchase at the nearby store. So the idea behind this challenge is that Dot is living in the countryside, so he can buy everything in the countryside. However, in the countryside, the price may be more expensive than in the city side. Okay? So we try to figure out that if the price in the countryside is more expensive than in the city side, we will go to the nearby town, which is the city side, and buy those items that he needs. If not, he can just buy them at the countryside. Okay? And this is the number we need to concern. Figure out which items cost over 10% more at the countryside store. Okay, so if the countryside store have that item and it costs more than 10% of the city side, Dot will go to buy them at the city side. If not, if it costs 10% or less or even cheaper, Dot will just buy at the countryside because it's closer to him. Why not? Save money, save time. Okay? So this is the idea behind that. Okay? So let's go on working on this problem. So this is about the if statement. So if the condition is true, we execute. And then if the else, we execute another part. Okay, that's basically the idea. Let's go through the code. So first, what we need to do is that we need to figure out how many items in the list. Okay, we know that 19 items, but if the items change, we need to replace 19 with another number. So why not just set them as the variable. Okay, length equal to the length of cleaning supplies list, and we will have for loop, what we learned from yesterday. For loop in for I in range of length. Okay, and now we will use if conditions. So if the countryside, the price in the countryside is more expensive than the city side by 110%, we will not buy at the countryside and we go to the city side and buy that instead. So if the country's price of each item in the list bigger than 1.1%. No, 110% of the city's side, we will avoid immediately. Oh, and then we need to create a new list, avoid list, because the question asks us that using Python, develop a list of items that are too expensive for Dot to purchase at nearby store. Okay, we don't want expensive item, even though it's closer to us. We want to save money. So we create the avoid list, which is empty list. And then we are going to whatever items we don't want to buy at the countryside, we're going to add to the list, add to the avoid list. Okay, so avoid list, because this is the countryside, it's more expensive than city side by 110%, which is this. It costs over 10% more at the nearby store, which is the total of 110%. Okay, avoid list, we append that value, we append that supplies. Okay, we append that supplies, which is the cleaning supplies list. Okay, and then we gonna check what is in the list, avoid list. So what we need to avoid is dustpan, garbage bags, glass cleaner, vinegar, floor cleaner, and paper towel. So let's look at the questions. Okay, so look, what is the correct answer? So dustpan, garbage bag, glass cleaner, dustpan, garbage bag, glass cleaner, vinegar, floor cleaner, paper towel, vinegar, floor cleaner, paper. This is the correct answers. Okay, yes, we have that. So that is the end of day 5 of the 21-day data challenge. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channels, and turn on the notification bell buttons. And see you tomorrow. Bye bye.